I'm back with another video, and in today's video I'll be showing you how to log in on Badoo. For that, first of all, open up your Badoo app on your phone. After you open up your app, now you'll have to enter your email address or your cell phone number. After that, enter your password. And when you're done, tap on sign in. A pop-up message will appear on your screen. Tap on save password if you like to save the password to use with apps and website. If not, tap on not now. This way you can log in on Badoo. Thank you for watching. If you like the video, please hit the like button. If you want to see more tutorial videos, hit the subscribe button. And if you have something to say, please leave a comment.